Ya, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. The name of Allah, the most gracious and the most merciful. Say thanks to Allah. Excellency Abi Hanif Al-Humida as Director Pesantren Super Kemlar Iban Fida. The Honorable Almighty Teacher in Senior High School Iban Fida, and respectable my parents and all my beloved family. And in the night, I would like to present my imagination map about cats and tigers sneezing. Firstly, sneezing on your bodies must common reaction, but and the sneezing take the fine stop. Think about why it happened. And this sneezing dirt, the breeze, even nasal sprays, allergen, dirt, and death. Second, just feel like something. By this depression of the skin can affect irritants under your nose and sneezing. More than like a prophet, then yawning. As this expressing the separation difference. Nice on adequate rest is high speed and not smart to cry, and your sneezing is something maybe every we have sick and this flu. That's it. I think enough. Sorry for mistake. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.